Namaste dear students. I know you would eagerly be waiting to know what are we going to make today. So without keeping any surprise, let me tell you that we are going to make a beautiful coaster today. Do you know what is a coaster? A coaster is basically a small mat which protects a table or any surface where the user might place a drink like tea, coffee, soup, juice, etc. For making this article, we will need some newspapers, glue, cutter or scissor, and some decorative material which you have. So let's begin with the activity. Here I have taken a bunch of newspaper. I'm going to fold it in the center vertically like this. Crease it well and then I'm going to cut it with a cutter. You have to be very much careful while using the cutter. And now you need to fold it again in half vertically like this and cut it with the cutter. Now one by one we will be taking the pieces of the newspaper which we have cut and we will fold them like this. And then one more time like this. After creasing it well, let us open it and apply some glue on the first part. Paste it. Again apply some glue like this and paste it. This way we can see that our strip is ready. We will keep it for drying and we will continue with the process like this. We will make another strip with the same process. For making this coaster, you will need around 10 to 12 strips like this, which you are going to cut in small pieces. Here I have cut the long strip into small size. So I am going to fold all the pieces like this only. For making this coaster, I have used 9 vertical strips and 8 horizontal strips. You can change the size according to your choice. So you decide the number of strips according to the size of your coaster. Let us start with the weaving of the coaster. Here I take one strip, apply glue on the corner, and then I place a vertical strip on my horizontal strip like this. Then I take the second strip. I'll put this strip downwards. The first strip is upwards. The second will be downwards. So this way we will be arranging one strip up, one down, again one up, down. So I just continue placing the strips on the horizontal strip like this with the help of glue. This is going downward. This strip will be placed above the horizontal strip. This way I have placed 9 strips like this. Now I'll be weaving the horizontal strips. We will be weaving the horizontal strips in the same way. If my first horizontal strip is below the first vertical strip in the beginning, so the second horizontal strip will be above and the next will be down, then up, down, up, down, up. This way we will keep on weaving the second strip. Arrange it properly and make sure that there is no gap between the first horizontal strip and the second one, and then paste the corners with the glue Let's start with the third strip. This will be exactly opposite to the second one. You have to weave it like a mat. If you have seen the weaving of the mat, make sure that every time after arranging the strip, you paste the first and the last strip at its place so that it doesn't move later. Now paste all the corners properly with the glue, and the extra strip which we had kept here for holding the strips for arrangement, we will cut that extra part. And if you find some alignment problem in your tea coaster, you can just make it proper from all the sides. Now you need to take some glue in a bowl, and you have to apply the glue on the coaster like this. With a flat brush, I am applying it all around the coaster like this, and once this side dries, you have to turn it and apply the glue back side also, so that it gets a proper coat of Fevicol and it becomes stiff. So keep it for drying and decorate it once it is completely dried from both the sides. Here, as you can see, I have decorated my coaster with some quilling strips and some craft paper. You can decorate it according to your choice and then place it on your study table and use it. You can share the image of your coaster with me at shikha@zenix.net. Have a nice day ahead.